Here we have macOS 12.6.3 with Homebrew installed. First, we want to ensure that our environment is up to date. The basic environment is. Let's check Homebrew. Brew managed installs are up to date too. Let's install Vagrant and VirtualBox. VirtualBox is a well-known cross-platform hypervisor and provides a virtualization platform upon which Vagrant can run machines. Vagrant calls the virtualization platforms it can use providers. VirtualBox happens to be Vagrant's default provider, making it arguably the easiest way to get started. Vagrant supports several other providers, either natively or through installable plugins. Time for basic validation. And the install looks good.